Well, and depending on what the court proceeding is, if it's a protective order proceeding, which sometimes does occur during a divorce, we need evidence. I mean, just the client's testimony oftentimes is not enough. Just because you said it happened doesn't necessarily mean we can prove to the court that it did happen. So that's on the protective order side. So police reports, witnesses, other witnesses would be good. Pictures of the abuse, things
Hospital
like
records.
hospital records. All of those things are great for the protective order side. But in conjunction with the protective order, the divorce is also happening, or oftentimes happening at the same time. And the abused spouse may then be entitled to additional support from the abusing spouse. And oftentimes, if children are involved, then the abused spouse then also has an advantage for custody of the children and possibly increased child support depending on what the possession schedule looks like, because the abused spouse then will have grounds for sole managing conservatorship and having all of the legal rights to the children rather than sharing them with the spouse. And so it can have a great deal of financial impact on the result of the divorce, as well as the custody portion of the divorce.
Mm-hmm. And sometimes it is somewhat difficult to prove if there hasn't been any type of documentation that was collected over time or in the most recent incidents. So that is something we would certainly advise, any potential clients, is make sure that if these circumstances are occurring, try to get some type of documentation so that it's not a he said versus she said type situation, that we have something definitive that we can show to a court so there is no question and we can get the best possible protection for them.